Reversible combination mortise butt hinge for a standard interior door. Load capacity, 55 pounds. Removable pin. Type of corner, square and 5/8 radius. Hardware included: 9x1, 25 mm, flathead Quadrex drive coarse-thread wood screws with Type 17 tip. Add the finishing touch to your project with our variety of butt hinges. Available in many trendy finishes and sizes to suit any design. The removable pin offers easy installation or removal of the door. Top reviews from the United States. Great product for a great price. Super easy to install. And overall a great price for a great product.